So this is the pound yen analysis for Monday the 2nd of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously prices came all the way down towards this 143.78, from which we found support. Well, prices have come down towards 43.78, brief consolidation, broke above the 44.78. Another consolidation around at 45.11 with the other confluence of the 200 period moving average. We've had this break to the upside, breaking above the 146, tested the 146.38, from which we've encountered resistance at that 146.38. We've seen the breakdown from this 146, and we do seem poised for a test. We're a couple of pips away of that 145.11. If we're able to find support at 145.11, looking for a move back up towards that 146, successful break from which we're looking for a move up towards that 146.38, and if we do see sufficient volatility brings us beyond 146.38, we're looking for a move up towards that 147.35. I wouldn't anticipate prices moving much beyond the 147.35 here to the upside. If, however, we do see the sell side momentum take us beyond the 145.11, we're looking for a move down towards that 144.78, successful break from which we're looking for a move down towards that 144.36, where we did previously have this consolidation. Failing that, we're looking for a move to where we pretty much found support previously, all the way down at that 143.78 here on the pound against the yen. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the higher time frame, see how prices are developing. So first we'll have a look at the monthly chart, and over on this monthly chart we did see a bit of a recovery developing here on the pound against the yen. Not so much now. We've seen a degree of bearishness re-enter the market. We've had a strong pullback, brief retracement here to the upside, from which we've seen another pullback, not as large as the first, but notable in size, and we've seen a bit of a move to the upside here, well, in the previous month of June. So again, we'll see whether we do have a bit more of a recovery here on the pound against the yen, or whether we'll have another leg down and go to new lows more recently here on the pound against the yen. See if we'll take out last month's lows and the month before prior, and see prices start to head to new lows for pretty much 2018 here on the pound against the yen. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the weekly chart. So over here on this weekly chart, the market doesn't appear to be in a decisive trend at the moment. So what we have seen, we did see a bit of a recovery here to the upside. We've had a brief pullback, posted lower highs, and again we've seen that weakness come back into the market. Now if we have a look at the candle ranges, pretty small, open to close, neither to the bullish side or to the bearish side, with pretty small bodies, suggesting neither the bulls nor the bears have complete control of the market, even though there is a slight bias to the bears in that we are seeing a series of lower highs more recently. And let's just have a look here at the daily chart. And over here on this daily chart, we have our lows in around 43.19. Had this move up to the upside, consolidation, didn't see the breakout to the upside from there. What we did instead see was a breakdown, appeared to be building a bit of a base, and what we did see was a further breakdown from there all the way down towards our 43.78. Well, towards this area we've marked out on the chart as a 43.78. I don't think it was there previously, from which we've posted a bit of a pin bar, a pretty strong bullish candle, somewhat engulfing, and we've had prices come up towards that 46.38 on the daily chart with that confluence of 400 period pretty close by, in between that 46.38 and that 146, and again does appear to be a bit of a sell zone, and we are seeing that sell side momentum return to the market as it has previously a couple of days prior, a couple of weeks probably, a couple of days prior. So we have seen that sell side momentum come into the market from that 146 to that 146.38 zone, and we do appear poised for further downside momentum, possibly down towards that probably that 144.78, I'd think, if we do see that sell side momentum follow through to downside here on the pound against the yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.